What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. So I'm gonna be doing an Instagram takes over my wash day today, and I'm gonna be filming it and posting it on my channel. This is inspired by Casey Aaliyah because I love her, and this was a really cool thing that she did on her Instagram, so I wanted to do it with you guys. So what I'm gonna be doing is just placing a couple pictures of different products, and I want you guys to vote on which product I should use and vote on which style I should do on my hair, because it's about time that this baby gets washed, okay? So look forward to the pictures, make sure you vote, and Instagram will take over my wash day.
Yeah, give you my heart, show you the way, give me a hand, from the start. The feelings you felt was mutual, never disclosed, untold, on sight, one mind, great minds, think alike and
So diving right into the video, I first had you guys choose between a shampoo and competing against the Texture ID shampoo. You guys ended up choosing the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. This shampoo is really rich in coconut oil, which scared me a little bit because my hair usually gets really brittle and hard when using coconut oil. But ultimately, this shampoo made my hair feel soft at the end of using it, and I think it had a lot to do with the shea butter that it included. My hair was squeaky clean and moisturized after using this shampoo. I actually really loved it. Competing against the Luxe Mane Ayurvedic Growth and Strengthening Treatment, you guys ended up choosing the Shea Moisture High Porosity Mask by a big number. 74% of you chose this. Was I surprised? Heck no. This deep conditioner is thebomb.com. I'm instantly able to run my fingers through and finger detangle every single time I use this deep conditioner. It adds in a lot of moisture into my hair, especially the moisture that my hair was lacking from being in a ponytail for about a week. It's so good, guys. Like when I'm feeling fancy, I like to add some oils in this deep conditioner and use it as a cocktail. I still wouldn't pass up the Luxe Mane Deep Conditioner though. I have a video on my channel showing you guys how I use the entire line from Luxe Mane, so if you guys would like to check that out, please do. So I actually had you guys choose what way I should style my hair, and initially I thought you guys would choose a twist style, but to my surprise, you guys voted for a wash and go. So for my leave-in conditioner, winning by a close call was the Naturall Club Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. You guys have seen this on my channel a few times. This leave-in conditioner is so good. Off rip, the smell is so potent and it permeates all over your hair. Every time I use this leave-in, I get compliments that I smell amazing. It's not like a fruity smell, it's like a sexy man smell, except I'm a woman. I don't know, it just smells really good, okay? As a curling product, you guys chose the Curls Whipped Cream, which was a bomb choice as well. I love using this product because it's so moisturizing and it makes my hair feel super soft while defining my curls. And then last on the list of products that I ended up using as a gel to help hold the definition in my hair, you guys voted, 51% of you specifically voted for the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. I love this gel because it holds but doesn't give my hair a crunchy feeling after it dries. And a little bit goes a long way with this gel. I never ever have to use a whole bunch of product to be able to get my hair defined. I ended up using my Denman brush tension method, which allowed for my hair to get a tad bit more definition, and then I diffused after for a quicker drying time. If you'd like to see a video on how I achieved this, check out the iCard above where I show you guys when I first discovered this tension method. overall, I think you guys did an awesome job picking out these products for my wash day. And I think I honestly found a new wash and go set of products. My results were popping, y'all. What do you guys think? Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Jahaira, and you can check out the description box below for further details on where you can follow me and other platforms as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you. Please be sure to comment. Please be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.